Hey, Ruthie, you want to try something?
Mhm.
It's sour candy. It's Mommy's favorite. It's called a Warhead. Lick it.
Lick it. Suck on it. Suck on it, Ruthie.
Suck on it. Put it back in your mouth.
Put it back in your mouth, Ruthie. Suck on it.
I'm gonna lick it.
No, suck on it. Put it in your mouth.
It's pretty tasty, huh?
You like it, Ruthie?
Put the whole thing in your mouth.
Too sour.
Put the whole thing in
Put the whole
there.
thing in your mouth. Put it in there. I want to see
Put
you do
it in there. Put it in there and lick it around with your tongue really fast. Pretty good though, right? It's really sour, but it's really tasty, huh? Put it in there and stick it in your cheek. Put it in your cheek like a squirrel. Switch cheeks. Switch cheeks. Oh, Charlie. Hey, Charlie, you want candy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Dad, get you a candy, Charlie.
Too sour for me, Daddy.
Ruthie, stop. Don't spoil it for Charlie. Don't surprise him. Charlie,
Hey, Charlie.
here, just put it down and don't tell him what it's gonna do.
That's where Mommy can see you.
What's the matter? Don't you want some candy?
You want a candy, Charlie?
I'm gonna eat that candy.
You want candy?
Yeah.
Come here. Here's a candy for you.
It's a warhead.
That's my candy.
Put it in your mouth.
Too sour. Too sour.
Try it. Try it.
Put it in your mouth,
Put it in your mouth,
Charlie.
Charlie.
You gotta
Try
lick it. You gotta lick the sour stuff off. Lick the sour stuff off. Candy's in the middle.
Put it in your mouth, Charlie.
Candy's in the middle. You gotta lick all the sour stuff off.
Put it in your mouth, Charlie.
Too sour.
Here, try it.
I'm gonna lick it.
Open.
No.
Okay. Here, Charlie, you want chocolate?
Yeah.
No,
Was it good?
I don't want this.
Was it good, Charlie?
Can I have another chocolate, please?
Yeah. Go throw that away.
Ruthie, was it good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it tasted like watermelon.